So you want to optimize your T levels, or you want to restore your hormones. That's great, you found the right video. So there's actually a supplement out there that you can take to do this. And what I'm talking about is DHEA. This is actually a precursor hormone. Your body produces it on its own, and it actually converts this to either testosterone or estrogen. And it's really critical that you check these levels in your body, because if you're already producing enough of this, it can backfire. So it can aromatize this into estrogen even though you have enough of it, or it can aromatize into testosterone if you're deficient in it. So that's why it's really important to get your blood work done, because you want to figure out, do I really need to take this, or is it a waste of money? So go to a doctor, get your blood work done, or you can go on a website like Quest Diagnostics and just order the blood work yourself. And what you want to do is look for not the hormone panel, but the metabolism blood panel. That's going to give you your DHEAS levels in your body, and so that way you're not wasting money on a supplement that you don't need, and it's not backfiring on you. So you need to get that checked, and you need to see if this is right for you, because if not, then we can weed out that as the problem, and you can go to the next step. So you can see if maybe enclomiphene is right for you. You can see if TRT is, or maybe you have a deficiency in vitamin D3, and that's why your body's not optimizing at its best levels. So that's why it's really critical to get your blood work done, so that you can see what the root cause to your problem is. You don't want to just throw crap against the wall and see what sticks. You want to tackle this with a strategic plan, with a methodical steps into place, so that you can get back to your normal self and live a good life. So guys, I hope that you learned something new. This was just a quick, simple, easy video on DHEA. Again, before you do anything, before you jump on TRT or anything like that, you want to get your levels checked and see if maybe this is the problem. So guys, until the next video, thanks for watching.